Hello, my name is Lloyd. I look after FastConnect application support, and my job is to help our users with anything relating to our platform. Today I will be showcasing how to connect to Oracle Cloud with FastConnect, taking advantage of a better, more secure and smarter way to get your cloud instance. From the dashboard, go to Menu, then Connections, click on Add New. Make sure Clouds on Everything as a Service is selected, then click on Oracle Cloud. Select your port. Click on Pay As You Go, then Next. Over here, select your Oracle Cloud location. By default, the source VLAN is auto-assigned. Next, you can choose your rate limit. Then select your class of service if it's available. Choose your duration and if you want to continue the service after the contract expires. Then click on Next. You need to select your payment method and agree to the terms and conditions. Then finally click on Connect. Console will begin to provision the Layer 2 service over our global Layer 2 network. This will take a few minutes. After a few minutes, please refresh your page. You will see the connection is active, and if you look at the Summary tab, you will see the source VLAN ID details. You will also see the duration details that indicate the start billing date. Next, we need to head to Oracle Portal and retrieve your OCID for the FastConnect. Once you are in the Oracle Cloud, please make sure you are looking at the correct region. Go to FastConnect and click on Create FastConnect. Then select your FastConnect partner. Next, you need to fill in the details. And click on Create. Then you will be able to select your OCID. Copy this. Next, you need to send your OCID to console support with email so that they can complete the service provisioning. Once support completed the service provisioning, you will see your Oracle FastConnect is provisioned. The next part is to complete the configuration on your device to bring up the BGP session. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us on support@consoleconnect.com. I would be more than happy to help you further.